Hello everyone, I am the owner of the Beauty of Queens, or TBOQ Kroche. I first began crocheting in 2010, but I let it go because I was really busy at that time. But last year I decided to pick it up again after trying to sell my jewelry that I was making, because I also love to do jewelry. And I decided to pick it up again, but I only specialize in creating handbags. And I do have like a few fedoras in my Etsy shop, but I probably won't be doing any more like hats or anything like that unless I'm probably going for a market. I do try to do markets. I've done markets before with my jewelry, but like I said, my jewelry was just, it wasn't going in a direction that I needed it to go. So I'm only doing crochet handbags right now. I also am working on makeup bags, like I said. My bags are lined with Ankara fabric patterns. If you're not familiar with it, it is African print. I just love the bold print and colors. So I do line my bags. I don't have any of my bags in front of me because right now I'm actually recording this video downstairs, and I'm not around my bags and my creative area where I create my my products. Excuse me, because I'm a bit nervous just starting with YouTube and stuff, but I'm pretty sure it will you know, change as I progress in doing my videos. And so I just wanted to stop in just to give an introduction. I will include some footage of my bags, pictures I'll put up somewhere in the video. I will also list my Etsy shop in the description for anybody that wants to go and take a look at it. So that's basically it. I just wanted to stop in and give a little introduction to my channel and letting everybody know what I specialize in and what you will be able to see on my channel. So like I said, it will be just me creating handbags or makeup bags, anything to do with bags and accessorizing those bags. So eventually I would like to have my own website, but right now I am working through Etsy, my Etsy shop. So I hope to see you guys around, and thank you for giving me your time and your attention. And I pray that you have a lovely day, a lovely evening, lovely morning, at whatever time you are watching this video. So I hope to see you guys around. Have a blessed day.
I feel the vibration. Somebody out here, make you no go stand for the corner. Make you no go stand for the corner. Make you drop your phone for the corner. As the beat they flow for your inner. Put down for chest and swear. Say you know they feeling for chest. I bet when the DJ knock out for deck, I know say you don't they.